Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, hope you all are doing wonderful and enjoying my videos. So, friends, today we are going to talk about Hora. Here I am not talking about divisional chart named as Hora Kundali. Today we are going to talk about one of the factor or one of the important factor connected to Panchang, connected to Murta Shastra, or connected to uh, auspicious occasions, or how to start any new activities, or which hora or which day or which hora is comfortable to start any new work. Many people are always confused about the things, that whether we could start new things on this day, that day, or any type of spiritual or karmic remedies also when you have to perform, as connect to your your graha dosh, or as connected to your planetary alignment, planetary position. All these things plays very very important role. So basically, Hora word is derived from Ahoratra. Ahoratra means day and night, 24 by 7. Ahoratra means after 9 till sunrise, that day's Hora starts. Like when sunrise is happening, the first Hora of that particular day starts. Whatever day, say for example, if today is Sunday, then first hora will be of sun only. So if you want to perform any type of Surya related activities, Jupiter related activities, in short, you have to remember, friends, that whichever planets are friends to Jupiter, all those connected activities you can start on Surya Hora. You cannot start anything connected to Shani on Surya Hora. Then you have to start in Shani Hora only. So I will give you little more a brief summary about all the days, which type of activities you can start in these days. Okay. Some muhurtas or occasions are fruitful as per particular planetary horas. So now we will talk about Surya, as we were already talking about that. So, whenever Surya Hora starts, so you can perform any administrative activity, any new launch of machinery, plantation of machinery, any technical items, any Pitru Karma if you want to perform, any Pitru Shanti if you want to perform, resuming promotional post, or the day if you have that much that much liberty, that you can join particular work on this particular day, or you are a self employed person, then also anything connected to post position power should be started in Surya Hora. No matter Surya, see, if it is Sunday, then first Hora will be Surya. If it is not Sunday, then also Sun Hora will come. Each and every planet's Hora falls as per the ascending and descending orders. I will definitely talk about that also. So in Surya Hora, you can definitely perform any activities, like say for example you are starting any pharmaceutical company, or you are opening any medical store or anything, or any spiritual activities, going to temple, or starting any temple related activities, or performing specific puja at home, or just bringing new temple at home, for worshipping devatas, then definitely Sun Hora is very very auspicious and fruitful for you. Now, second, we will talk about Jupiter Hora, that is Guru Hora. So, whenever Guru Hora is falling, then any type of education, Vidyarambha, any type of studies, any type of new coaching classes, tuitions, or anything connected to registration work, anything connected to starting, writing a book, even Mercury Hora, but Jupiter Hora also works very fantastically. Also anything connected to Shastra studies, anything connected to preaching, or if you want to start a first day for giving your speech on spiritual uh, things and all those things, then definitely you want to open fixed deposit also, or any type of dharma karya or any type of spiritual activities, as I said before. So definitely you can start with Jupiter Hora. Then comes Mangal Hora, that is Mars Hora. So in Mars Hora, any type of farming activities, agricultural activities, starting planting any type of seeds, sowing any type of seeds, anything connected to gardening, anything connected to bhumi, buying a land also, gardening, planting, parakram in sports activities, or anything connected to your brother, if you want to help out your brother, if you want to pay off your debts, if you want to pay off your loan, take Mangal Hora. This is fantastically working. This, whenever you are paying off your full loan in Mangal Hora or on Tuesday also, you are less bound to get another loans on you. I have experienced this. Then comes Venus Hora, that is Shukra Hora. So any marriage activity, love affairs, or if somebody has proposed you and you are supposed to meet that person, also Vadhu Pravesh, that is, marriage has taken place and Gruha Pravesh of bride is taking place. So, definitely, Venus Hora is very, very auspicious to welcome the new bride. Also, buying any type of ornaments, jewelry, compromising matters, that is, any type of legal matters, also gruhastha ashram, like any type of planning for child birth also. Shukra Hora is the bestest Hora, because Venus is also Karaka for reproductive elements, that is ovum, sperm, any type of treatment connected to childbirth. Definitely you can start in Venus Hora. This is very important things I am sharing with you all. Many people are not aware about it, and many people are always in a prashna. They put prashna kundali when to start. So if you are not following prashna kundali, you can follow this way also. Now, after comes Buddha Hora, that is Mercury Hora. So, writing books, reading books, any type of consultations, if you want to start with, uh, first time or always, share trading, investing money, opening fixed deposit, also farming, Gruha Arambha. Gruha Arambha means just if you are. If you are building pioneer of any house, then also Mercury Hora is the bestest Hora. Then comes the Moon Hora, that is Chandra Hora. So any type of medication, starting any type of medication, preparing medicinal formulas, like for pharmacist or for Ayurveda acharyas also, whoever are connected to healing therapies also. In Mercury Hora also, in Chandra Hora also, you can start with. Then pilgrimages, doing anything for your mother, starting any new work with your mother also, or taking your mother for any type of pilgrimages. Then any type of blood report, if you want to check, CT scan, EEG, ECG, any type, then definitely take Chandrahora. Also, if you are writing poetries, or if you want to enhance your intuition power, then also you have to do meditation in Chandrahora. This will work fantastically. Friends, this video will help you a lot. Remember, these things work, and after that only I am sharing with you all. I have learned this in my school of astrology, and this is what I am sharing with you all. Then comes the Shani Hora. So in Shani Hora, any type of inspection work, or any type of donations also, performing any type of karmic activity, Shiva Puja, Rudrabhishek, any type of karmic activities, means if some doshas, or we call it as a dosha, basically that is our karmic fruit what we are getting in our chart. If Saturn is with Rahu, Surya is with Rahu, Rahu Ketu, if are posited with any planet in your horoscope, and if you want to perform any type of activity, karmic or spiritual remedy, then Shani Hora is the bestest Hora. Also farming, agriculture, buying any type of land, buying any type of old furnitures or second hand car, all these things you can do in Shani Hora. And then one has to also follow nakshatra, yog, that day, yog, karan, anything. If you want to go more deep to perform any type of new activity, then definitely marriage, property, buying a new house or entering into new house, then definitely see your own horoscope, nakshatra, charan, or
Hi, your next
moon,
online time is in 10 minutes. Please come online.
moon in
Hi, your
that
next
type
online
of
time is in 10 minutes.
moon of that day, as I was saying. So now how this hora works, Sunday to Saturday there are 7 days, correct? Then whenever sun is at east horizon, then the hora starts. As I said, that from sunrise the new hora starts. So basically, how to calculate this hora? So uh, if it is of the same day, then first hora will be of, say for example, if it is Monday, so first hora will be of Chandra only. Okay, first hora. If it is Tuesday, then first hora will be of Mangal only. If it is Wednesday, then first hora will be of Budh only. And each hora is of 1 hour. So all 24 hours hora will start working. I will give you simple series of the hora. So the series is Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, and Moon. Okay. Now, if, say for example, today is Thursday, so first hora will be of Thursday, that is Jupiter. Second hora will be of Mangal. Then it will be Sun. Then it will be Venus. Then it will be Mercury. Then Moon. And lastly, it will be of Shani. So you can follow this way also. And then again the same series will start. But basic it is Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, and Moon. Then altogether all 24 hours will be calculated here. So friends, I hope this video will be very helpful for you for any type of Murta Shastra or any type of Prashna Kundali also. If you want to see, just see which hora running at present, and then you can perform that connected activities. For shopping also, now Diwali is coming very near, so go in Venus hora, you will definitely get very very good things. If you will go in Shani hora, then again you will have to go for shopping, for exchange or something, things could not come proper. Go in a Venus hora, go in Mercury hora, then you will do more shopping you will save more also, this type of things definitely happens. So see you all soon. And yes, once again I am sorry, because I wanted to make one video connected to Prashna Kundali. I made this post I think 1 month back, so definitely very soon, most probably within 2 days, I will make that video, and I will answer whatever word you have written on my community box. I will refer that post, and I'm going to make that video. That is in my mind, but due to work pressure, due to other responsibilities, I could not make that. So see you soon, and may God bless you all. Or as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.